Hello, friends! I love nature. Nature's all the things around us, like mountains, rivers, plants, and animals. You know, a great way to enjoy nature is to go camping. Hi, Tootie.
Hi, DJ Lance.
I have a really fun idea. Why don't you go camping up on Gaba Mountain?
I love camping in the mountains.
If you hike all the way to the very top, you can meet my friend Barbara, who lives there.
Oh, I want to meet Barbara.
I love hiking too! Oh, I want to go hiking. I think. What is hiking and camping?
Well, Broby, hiking is when you take a long walk outside. And when we sleep outside in nature, that's called camping.
Oh, that sounds like fun!
Yeah.
If we are going to go camping, we'll need a few things. Some blankets for sleeping, a compass to point the way, a guidebook to tell us what we find, and some water to drink. Oh, and we can't forget the s'mores. We can carry all this stuff in backpacks.
All right, follow me. Wait, DJ Lance, which way is Gaba Mountain?
Oh, it's right here. Yo, Gaba Gaba!
Yeah! Let's go! We are going camping.
We are going camping.
We are going camping.
We are going camping.
Hike and hike through the mountains of nature.
We'll see bugs and bees.
And rocks and trees.
We'll sleep outdoors when the night falls.
We're going camping.
Feeling free when we are camping today.
Hey, did you guys hear that? It's coming from just ahead. Let's go!
Yeah!
Yodelay-hee-ho,
Yodelay-hee-ho-hee-ho.
Yodelay-hee-ho-hee-ho.
Yodelay-yodelay-yodelay.
Hey, everybody!
This is a ram that lives high in the mountains.
Yeah, that's me!
Nice to meet you, Mr. Ram. We're on a hike.
All right, have fun!
Yeah, let's go!
We are going camping.
We are going camping.
We are going camping.
We are going camping.
Hike and hike through the mountains of nature. We'll see flowers and plants
And hills of birds.
And when we get tired, we'll set up camp. We're going hiking. Feeling free when we are hiking today. Yodelay-hee-ho-hee-ho. Yodelay-hee-ho-hee-ho. Yodelay-yodelay-yodelay. Yodelay-hee-ho-hee-ho. Yodelay-yodelay-yodelay.
Welcome!
Let's see. This looks like an evergreen pine tree.
Precisely! And you've made it to the campsite!
This is the campsite.
Hooray! Hooray!
My name is Aiden. I like to dance.
Animals have a home of their own in the forest and the jungle underwater, off the shores, the great outdoors. See monkeys and fish and zebras and bats and long necks on giraffes. The raccoons grin and the seals they swim in the great outdoors. The elephant asleep in the shade with the parrot on his back and a smile on his face. The great outdoors with turtles and snakes and the rattles they shake. The ducks on the lake, the porcupine grins
Hey kids, just gather around for Business Beat of the Day. I'ma teach you some sounds. Okay kids, here is Business Beat of the Day. We're going to do a frog beat. Rip it, 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 rip it. Now practice this at home, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.
All right, everyone, it's s'mores time.
Wow! What are s'mores?
S'mores are a delicious treat you make over a fire.
Razzle dazzle!
How do we make them?
First, we take our time and slowly cook the marshmallow over the fire.
This looks like fun.
Then, when the marshmallows cook to a golden brown, we add chocolate and graham crackers, just like a sandwich.
A marshmallow sandwich!
S'mores really want to go to the party in my tummy.
While we're waiting for our marshmallows to cook, let's play the campfire story game.
I love this game!
I'll make up a part of the story first. Then everyone can take turns to use their imaginations and make up what happens next. This sounds like fun. Everyone sing with me.
Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along. Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along.
Okay, here we go. Once upon a time, there was a brother and a sister. They had a missing friend, so they set out on an adventure. They walked and ran, hiked up and down until the brother and sister found
Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along.
What did they find, Foofa? They found a magic rainbow at the castle of the princess. The princess took them on a trip to find their friend. They flew away and spent the day sliding down the rainbow's end. Everyone sing together.
Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along.
My turn. In Rainbow Town, they looked around and missed their friend a lot. And suddenly, they found their friend had turned into a robot with blinking lights and metal parts, but still he had a great big heart.
Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along.
What next, Muno?
The robot stayed in Rainbow Town and helped out the bird folk. They needed help to clean up the town because the robot could make soap. So everyone scrubbed and cleaned the town with lots of love.
Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along.
What did they do then? Then they danced. The brother and the sister finally finished their adventure. The Princess Rainbow, Bird People, and Robot Friend were all there. Dancing dance all day and night. Roasting s'mores till they were just right.
Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along.
Aha!
Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along.
I think our marshmallows are done roasting, and it's time for a s'mores party in our tummies. All we need to add now is chocolate and graham crackers.
It's like a sandwich.
Razzle dazzle! I love s'mores! There's a s'more party in my tummy!
Mana, pipe it. I like to dance.
Okay, everyone, time for bed.
Did anyone hear that? Yeah, what was that sound?
Hey everyone, how was camping?
It's DJ Lance. Hi, DJ Lance.
that sound was?
It was just you, DJ Lance.
The Super Music Friends show is about to start, and I didn't want you to miss it. It sounds like the Super Music Friends show is on.
Let's all go out in nature with Band of Horses.
Out in nature, under the sun, is how I like to spend all my days. Looking at the leaves, and looking at the trees, and watching all the animals play. In nature, the air is clean and clear, and the water is deep and blue. It is up to me and you to care for it and share with it. High upon a mountain or deep within a lake, or underneath the ground with the gophers and the snakes. Out in nature is where I wanna be, underneath the stars in the sky. In nature, the air is clean and clear, and the water is deep and blue. It is up to me and you to care for it and share with it. Underneath the stars. Out in nature, under the sun, is how I like to spend all my days. Looking at the leaves, and looking at the trees, and watching all the animals play. In nature, the air is clean and clear, and the water is deep and blue. It is up to me and you to care for it and share with it.
Shh. It's time to go to sleep now. Listening and dancing to music is awesome.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Leaf.
Leaf? Who?
Leave early or you'll be late.
Okay! Is everyone ready to finish our hike to the top of the mountain?
Yeah!
Yahoo! We finally made it!
Wow, that was kind of hard.
My legs want to lay down.
Yeah, but we made it! This is so great! Oh, look! We can see so much from up here. Wow! What a beautiful view! Nature is beautiful!
Hello, everyone. I'm Barbara. DJ Lance told me you were hiking up here. Congratulations. You made it to the top of Gaba Mountain.
Hooray!
I know it was a long and difficult hike.
It was hard, but worth it. It's so beautiful on top of the mountain.
Oh, yes, it sure is. This is my home at the top of Gaba Mountain. I watch the clouds and I talk to all my friends out here in nature. I could carry all of you on a really fun flight and show you.
Oh, really? Hey, guys, should we all take turns flying with Barbara? I'd rather hike down the mountain.
Yes, we should all be heading back home soon.
Why don't all of you hike back down, and I'll give Tootie a ride back home to meet you.
That sounds like a great plan.
Bye, Tootie.
See you back home.
Be careful.
I will. Goodbye. I'm so excited to fly.
Be sure to hold on tight. Come along with me in a place so high and free. It's wonderful to be flying in nature. I have badges for everyone who made it to the top of Gabba Mountain.
Badges? Awesome!
This is a badge so everyone will know you hiked all the way to the top.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And Tootie, you get a special badge for leading everyone all the way to the top of the mountain.
Wow, thank you, Barbara.
Come hiking in nature and visit me again. See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
My name is Hudson. I'd like to dance. Story time. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Ruby, and she had two best friends named Harper and Clyde. One day, Ruby had a great idea to go camping out in nature. So they packed up their backpacks and started out on a camping adventure. After a long hike, Ruby found a perfect place to set up camp. Harper found 4 long sticks for the walls. Clyde put one across the top. Ruby put a blanket over the whole entire thing. They all climbed inside the tent. Clyde turned on the flashlight. They had so much fun making funny shapes with the shadows. Just then, they heard a strange sound just outside the tent. They carefully shined their flashlights outside to see Ruby's mom with a big plate of snacks. The little campers laughed and had so much fun. It was their very first and very best camping trip ever. The end.
Hello.
You found me.
Yo! Hi! It's almost time to go.
Aww!
But first, let's remember all the fun things we did today.
Okay!
First, we hiked up Gabba Mountain and learned about nature.
We are going camping.
Then we roasted s'mores, told stories, and camped out overnight.
It's s'mores time.
All right!
Finally, we reached the top of the mountain and met a friend named Barbara.
You made it to the top of Gabba Mountain.
We had such a great day in nature.
Hooray!
Now it's time to dance.
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Well, let's do it. I'll break it down. I think today would be a great day to go camping.
Let's go!
Hi, Tootie.
Hi, DJ Lance.
I love nature.
That sounds like fun.
I love nature.
Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along.
There's a s'more party in my tummy.
We found nature in the air. Birds flying everywhere.
My legs want to lay down.
I had a great time today. Thanks for playing with us. See you next time.
Bye!
Here we go. Yo!